Jerome, all right, let's dive in. We've been looking at your incredible year on LinkedIn, and honestly, what we found was pretty much a masterclass in building a professional brand. So, in this explainer, we're going to break down the story your post told in 2025, and it's a story that reached over 1 million people. So, let's start with the headline number because it is seriously impressive. You pulled in over 1.1 million impressions this year. I mean, that is a massive audience you've built around everything from Power BI and AI to entrepreneurship and, of course, those fantastic personal stories you're not afraid to share.
And right away, you address the elephant in the room, the algorithm. While so many people are complaining that it's harder to get seen, you've said you barely even notice a difference. Your philosophy? It's simple and it's powerful. Be consistent and just cut out the fluff. And that simple idea is really the foundation for everything we're about to see.
Looking back at your top posts, it becomes so clear that 2025 wasn't just about being consistent. It was a year that was absolutely packed with major milestones, both for your business and for you personally. I mean, this timeline tells a story of incredible momentum. You're presenting to over 2,000 clients. You're commanding a standing room-only crowd at your very first major speaking gig. And you're even hosting your own successful Power Up Live event. And that's just the professional stuff. You also celebrated a milestone birthday and kicked off a whole new fitness journey. It was truly a year of leveling up on all fronts. Okay, but here's the really fascinating twist in your 2025 story. Your single biggest post, the one that reached the most people by a long shot, it had nothing to do with a new feature, a big event, or a major business win.
It was your April Fool's prank. That simple, kind of alarming announcement that Power BI was dropping support for Excel. And the reaction to this post, well, it put it in a category all by itself.
This chart just shows what a massive outlier it was. That one joke got nearly 140,000 impressions. That is almost 3 times more than your next best post, and more than 7 times the average of your other top content. It was an absolute viral home run. So you gotta ask, right? What was the secret sauce here? Why did this specific joke, out of everything you shared all year, connect on such a massive scale? And you know what? You diagnosed it perfectly yourself in a follow-up. The best jokes have a kernel of truth. And this one, it was just plausible enough. The idea of Power BI kind of pushing its users towards better data habits, it felt possible. It caught people just enough off guard to make that punchline land perfectly. But that viral hit wasn't just an accident. It was really a symptom of a much bigger strategy. When we look at all of your content, it's so clear that your engagement comes from this powerful mix. You've got the deep professional expertise, but you combine it with genuine personal authenticity. You have this incredible knack for balancing these two sides. One day you're the expert, diving deep into technical stuff like Power BI, MCP, or XLOOKUP. Then the next, you're just the person, sharing these relatable stories about being a night owl or the challenge of taking a break or your fitness routine. That duality, it creates a connection that goes way beyond just the tech. I mean, take this post, sharing your realization about the power of rest after 13 years of being on 24/7. That hits home for every single entrepreneur out there. It's vulnerable, it's real, and that's exactly why it resonated so much. And then there's this story. Finding your mother's hand-drawn dashboards from almost 40 years ago, that wasn't just a charming little anecdote. It created this powerful narrative, showing your audience that a passion for data literally runs in your family. It's just a fantastic story. And this strategy of building a real engaged community, it has this powerful side effect. It gives you permission to be human, even when things go a little sideways. Which brings us to, well, your most unconventional post of the year. Yep, the Pocket Post, a beautiful string of pure gibberish courtesy of your phone. Now, for almost anyone else, this would be an embarrassing instant delete. But for you, it still got over 15,000 impressions and a ton of comments. This is the ultimate proof of community. It shows that when you've built that genuine rapport with your audience, even a total accident can become an engaging conversation. So, when we pull all of these threads together, the viral humor, the professional milestones, the personal vulnerability, the deep dives, a really clear and repeatable formula for your success starts to emerge. We're calling it the Hearshot Method. It's basically a 5-part strategy that's driving your success. You provoke and amuse with clever humor. You connect by sharing vulnerability. You celebrate your community by highlighting partners and events. You generously share valuable knowledge. And then, at the very center of it all, you tie everything together with that relentless consistency. And this really gets to the heart of it all, doesn't it? Your success isn't about chasing trends or trying to game the algorithm. It's about a fundamental commitment to just showing up authentically and consistently, sharing both what you know and who you are. The engagement isn't the goal, it's just the natural result of that commitment. So, where does this story go from here? Well, fittingly, you ended your own summary of the year with this powerful sense of forward momentum. As you put it, looking back on all the highlights of 2025 just made you more excited for what's coming in 2026. For you, there's no sense of a finish line, is there? It's just about building on what you've already achieved. Your 2025 on LinkedIn was this incredible story of milestones, connection, humor, and growth. You've built an amazing platform and a genuinely loyal community. So the only question left is, what amazing story are your posts going to tell us all next year?